In front of me is Realme Narzo N61 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Device Unlock and click on Screen Lock. Now it's time to pick one of those lock methods, pattern, PIN or password. Create it, hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then choose Confirm. Now you need to answer this question by selecting one of those options and hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!